Hello and welcome to my science tutorials. In today's video, I want to look at some theory questions and answers on algebraic expressions. Now for this particular question, we have, without using mathematical tables or calculators, we have to find the value of y if 13y is equal to 187 squared minus 174 squared. So that is the question that we have. So let's go ahead and look at how we solve this problem. So the question is 13y is equal to 187 squared minus 174 squared. Now if you look at this expression, we realize that the number and the variable, which is the 13y, is on the left side, and then the numbers are at the right side. So the question has already been grouped, or like terms has already been grouped for us. Now the expression 187 squared minus 174 squared is of the form a squared minus b squared, which we can express in the form as a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So this expression that we have over here, 187 squared minus 174 squared, can be expressed in this form as a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So having this understanding, or this expansion of difference of two squares, we can proceed to write 13y is equal to, then in the first bracket, so we'll have a plus b. The a now becomes the 187, the b becomes the 174. So we'll have 187 plus 174 in one bracket, then multiplied by 187 minus 174 in another bracket. So we will maintain our 13y to be equal to, so 187 plus 174 will give us 361, and then let me clear that, and then 187 minus 174 will give us 13, over here, so this will be multiplied by 13. So to finish our work, we have 13y here is equal to 361 multiplied by 13. You can multiply this and write your answer if you like, but because I see 13 here, I want them to cancel, so I'll maintain it like this. So from here, what I do is, we are looking for the value of y, not 13y. So we divide both sides by the coefficient of the y, which in this case is 13. Okay, so I have 13y is equal to 361 multiplied by 13. So because I want y not 13y, I will divide both sides by 13. So I do that, divided by 13, divided by 13. 13 will cancel 13, so I'm left with y is equal to, this 13 will cancel this 13, so my final answer is going to be 361 as the value of y. So this is how we solve this particular question in algebraic expression. Now this is actually the SSCE November 2001 question number 2A. So this is the SSCE for core mathematics, SSCE November 2001 question number 2A. So this is the solution for that particular problem. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we tackle more expressions on algebraic expression.